Right. And my whole thing is the cleaning industry is not a thing where you need a college degree. I mean, it's great to have if you have one. Like, if you want a college degree, knock yourself out. Nobody's stopping you, right? I have a college degree, but it has nothing to do with cleaning. I didn't know I was going to have a cleaning business 25 years ago when I got my degree. But here we are, almost 10 years with my business. So my point is this. When I see or hear of a client or a possible client giving me the attitude of, oh, you make more than me per hour, and I have a college degree. I have one too. What's your point? That doesn't matter if my client has a college degree. I don't care if I'm cleaning for the president or the king or the CEO of Doritos. It doesn't, their status in life or their education does not dictate how much I have to pay for my cleaning products, how much I have to pay in taxes, how much I have to pay in advertising, how much I have to buy sneakers every 3 months, how much I have to pay for my aprons. Your education doesn't make it cheaper for me to buy my supplies. You know what I mean? So because you have your education does not mean that I should not charge what I need to charge to survive. And people have this idea where it's like, you make more than me per hour. Yeah, but I'm not working a 9-hour day. I'm just not physically working I'm not physically cleaning for 9 hours every day, 6 days a week. I would probably be passed out. Like, that would be exhausting. And I don't have employees. I work on my own. But even if I had employees, even if they all work 9 hours a day, where do you think that money's going to come from? What we charge the client. So whether or not the client has a master's degree in masters doesn't mean that the cleaners should be making less than them. Because whatever job you have, you may have paid vacation and paid holiday and paid this and paid that. We don't get any of that when you're self-employed. So we have to factor in all these things into our budget. I mean, luckily my current clients don't say anything like that. I mean, I don't know if they ever have, but at least not to me. But I have had people who have asked for quotes, and I've given quotes, and I've gotten a couple people that are like, no, that's over my budget. And I'm like, that's all right, cool, no problem. Or I have had somebody years ago say, you make more than me per hour. And I don't even charge an hourly rate. I guess they could figure out the math if they figure out like how many hours it would be. And I said, okay, have a nice day. That's it. I'm not going to haggle. But venting, yeah, I am going to say, and I hope that this person sees it. And I hope that any potential client anywhere for any cleaning business sees this and understands your job expertise in whatever field you have as a client is your business. My business is literally my business, and I will choose to charge what I want to charge. Whether or not you can afford it is your issue. If you can't afford me, then don't come to me or don't book me. If you can afford me and you like me, then book me. Simple as that. All right, bye. Thank you for your comment.